Hey guys, I'm gonna be teaching you how to pixelate on Flippaclip instead of trying to have an ad just to pixelate something. If you have premium Flippaclip, then you don't need to have an ad. So first, what you want to do is draw what you want to draw. For example, I will draw a simple circle. I'm just gonna make the circle black instead. Okay, now, number 2, what you want to do, is you want to go to the 3 rectangles next to the play button, and it says a 1 on it. So you want to click that, and you'll see there's a layer, and you see you have one layer 1. Now what you want to do is you want to click on these 3 lines right on the left. Click on them. Actually, my bad, wrong instruction. You click on the arrow next to the 100% bar. So next, you're gonna see layer settings, opacity, blending mode, alpha lock, and a bunch of stuff. Now, what you want to do is focus on pixel effect, and if you see something called size 1px, 1 pixel, what you're gonna see is a bar, and then you're gonna scroll that bar, and then it's gonna pixelate. So that's my tutorial. Wait, but not over yet. If you want to keep the pixelate, then what you want to do is you want to copy and paste it. We want to make it a little smaller so it can fit in the space. So you're gonna copy and paste it. Just copy it. Just gonna copy it, and then delete it. Whenever you keep it there, And then you're gonna move one right, and then you're gonna move the circle right here. Then you're gonna go back to where you came from. Click the arrow next to the 100% bar, and then put the size at 1px again. Then what you want to do is paste the one you paste. It's not gonna work. So if it doesn't work properly, then what you want to do is create another layer and copy and paste that exact layer and copy and paste it. Oh, just paste it instead. And now what you want to do is click the arrow again next to the 100% bar on layer 2. And then what you're going to do is look for the size, put it however you want to put it, and it will pixelate that one instead. And now you see you got a 1 pixelated, and you got a whole different dimension of pixelated. I'm just going to draw a face on number 2. Just going to draw a face on number 2 for some reason. I don't know why. Just feel like it. Okay. And then we're going to draw a face for number 1 too. Got some thunder going on. Okay, my bad. And there you have it. That's how you pixelate your objects without having to do any ads. So I hope you found this tutorial good. I hope to see you in a next video that I might post. Bye guys.